I mean, there's so much evidence also that he gave pure paramedium to tigers. But I've also heard that Mahaprabhu gave to those who have no faith, he gave surrender. To those who have faith, he gave respect. Like this.
Okay, I'll talk about that later.
Entonces, la pregunta que hizo el Prabhu Rohinanda Maharaj va a hablar después de eso.
Mahaprabhu gives qualification. We cannot, if we say Mahaprabhu gives prema to everyone, that means he gave to unqualified persons. No, first he gave qualification, then he gives prema.
Entonces, si decimos que Mahaprabhu dio prema a incluso a los que no tenían cualificación, esto no es así, sino que primero les dio la cualificación y después les dio el prema.
Okay. Anything else?
¿Algo más?
Hare Krishna. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna